Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic will be the formula series. Okay, so these are the 7 formulas that will be discussed in this video, and this formula in next videos, right, will show you how it's going to lead to the data validation creation in the Excel web versions. Okay, let us begin with the left first. Okay, so for the left, it's just taking on the number of character from the rightmost. Okay, so you can start with the left and then how many characters. So for this practice, right, okay, I've been using the substitute as a reference text over here, and then for here, right, I just take 3 characters. Okay, so once 3 characters over here, I will get sub. Okay, so that's all for the left, as straightforward as that. Okay, for the right is work the other way. Okay, so the reference text I'm also using the substitute, and from here, right, because that right is starting from the right is ET, right, so if I put 2 over here, it should show TE instead of ET. Okay, because when the presentations, right, it will start from left to right, so even you put 4, it will TE, and TE if you put 2 over here. So let's see, that's it. Okay, for the make is a very interesting part. Basically, if you look into it, right, it can be work for left and right. Okay, so these functions, right, is very useful if you lazy to use left and right. Okay, so you can use make to replace all of this, but in order to work on these ones, right, basically you see left make, right. Okay, for the make, then the similar things over here. Okay, so I use the substitute over here as a reference text, and then so the start number over here, right, basically let's say I want to start from 4. Okay, and then how many I want to start, then I will just how many number of character I want to be placed, just put 2 over here. So from here we'll show st. Okay, so basically this one is starting from 1 2 3 4, and then 2 characters, so that's why you return st. So what if I want to return the same characters or the text display as the left functions over here, and also right? This will be very simple. So first of all, for the leftmost, right, so basically it will start with 1, always 1. So and then I just change this one to 3. So the difference over here, right, that's the starting number of the character to be calculated. Okay, to be considered to return with. That's why you see over here, right, left will be much simple. Okay, so for the make, so here we'll return exactly the same, and for the right, okay, so I will take this opportunity to explain the length as well. So length is returning the number of characters in the text. Okay, so from here, right, so here should be 10. Okay, so let's say I want to get T. So T is the last 2 digits, 2 characters, not digits, sorry. So 2 characters. So basically last 2 characters start from 9. So from here, the starting number over here will be 9. And of course, the number of characters to be displayed is 2. So here you can see I get the actually same text display as right over here. Okay, so for substitute, okay, so substitute, so I use the same thing as well over here. So this is the text reference. Okay, you can type as well. Okay, and then from here, what's the old text you want to replace with? So from here, right, this is case sensitive, so I need to make sure it's a capitalized T, and then what's the old text I need to return with? So for this one, I will just change it to the more easier way, which I just put W over here. I just go bracket because the other one instances, right, is the optionals. So it's like starting is what like almost like the make or start with which number of characters in the text reference. Okay, so later we can see on that. Okay, so for instant numbers, right, this one I shall seldom use it, so I will not go further on that. Okay, so for the 5, okay, 5 will be more interesting. The reason why, because it's it can be used for many things, and also it is not that straightforward. It's just one file. It will be the nested file sometimes. Okay, so from here, right, so what is the text I want to find? Let's say over here, right, let's say I want to find the character of T. Okay, from where? So I'm using the same reference over here, which is substitute, or you even can type also. Okay, so this one, if I didn't put the start number over here, okay, so it will return the first occurrence, which is 1 2 3 4 5. Over here the T, first occurrence is 5, so it returns 5. Let's say over here I just close the bracket. Okay, so it returns 5. But if I put 6, okay, so if I put 6 over here, right, it returns 7, which is the T can find at the 7 characters in the substitute here. Okay, so it's 7. Let's say I want to change it to 8. Okay, so it return the 9. So as you can see, if I play around with these ones, right, you see I will able to change the text over here. So this is a very basic things over here. So, and for the formula text, first of all, I will point this one. Let's say the A1 over here. In the sheet 1, point to the text 1 over here on the cell A1 of the sheet text 1. Okay, so as you can see, the formula text over here, text, okay, there's a space and 1. Okay, this is the sheet name. So what if I using the formula text? Okay, so I using formula text and pointing back to the A cell A1 over here at the sheet 1. Okay, and then close the bracket. It return exactly this is the things. Okay, from here this one will be able to make the dynamic ranges. This is one of the key formula. Okay, and then you need the combination of this as well. So, and we will see more on the upcoming videos on the web versions of data validations. Okay. So let's say this one's right. Let's say the text one, I remove the space in between. Okay. So remove the space in between. So the sheet name rename. So you see, this is the things. Okay. Initially it will be like. So since it's a text, so I just put like this. Initially it's like. So initially it's like this, okay, and then it becomes this. So this is the differences. So when there's a space in between, so when using the formula text, it will handle automatically for you. So this is the powerful of the formula text. Okay, so it just return exactly what you want over here. So from these ones, right, we were going to remove the equal sign over here. We look for the first digit. Okay, regardless the what is that, whether it's a special characters, okay, or here single quote, or the first character T over here, and then we will get the sheet name over here. So how to do that? Just pay attention on the upcoming videos. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe my videos. And if you like the video, just put the like, and also appreciate you can share this video if you find it very useful to your friends, your colleagues, okay, and your families. Okay, that's all. Thank you.